I learned how to use CNC machines, water jet cutters, 12-foot long wood routers, 1 meter tall 3D printers, and it was all in service of our creative efforts as a company. My name is Bevan Weissman. I'm an Advanced Manufacturing Instructor here at Essex Technical High School. I went to college for engineering. I got a degree in chemical engineering and also in visual art. I worked for a little bit in the field as an engineer. I then met up with a couple of art-minded folks and we formed a company that made a lot of interactive large-scale sculptures. The thing that excites me about manufacturing today is that in a large sense it's been democratized and the tools and equipment are more available to the hobbyist or the average consumer than they ever have been before. That's how I learned a lot of that stuff in the beginning. I think the more people you'll have interested in manufacturing.